We went to the IKEA today. These will be our craft room tables. We also went to the TJ Maxx / Home Goods and found these awesome chairs. Oh, don't mind my purse. Look how soft they are. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, and the pillows. Super stinking cute. These signs are going to be repurposed into our room signs, I guess, and that gray thing that they're in is a trash separator compartment thing. This is the desk, an Mness, of course. Sorry, Deadpool. And then we got a lamp and a set of drawers. And that's it. Yay! Wall's coming down today. Oh, I'm so excited. And then we're gonna have the flooring people in here on Thursday to get the carpet up and put in our new floors, which are 1,000 times better than this. Well, it's staying in the office and stuff, but ew, it needs to be vacuumed. I'm so excited. It's a little bit more complicated than we expected because apparently there are some conduits and some piping things going between them. So hopefully that's not a huge issue. Anyway. Demolition today. We have pass-throughs to the craft room. Here it is. Oh, it looks so awesome. I'm so excited to have put these big old holes in our walls. And so now we are all one big space. Just gotta cap and frame these things. Get some trim down, do some painting, get rid of these ugly blinds, and we will be in business. So that's it. There's the showroom. Complete with pass-throughs. And right here in the middle, that is where my yarn wall is gonna go. That's what we have measured out actually. The tape on there is the bookcase that we bought for the yarn. Okay, so the power's still off in Unit B, but that's what the pass-throughs look like in here. Oh, it's so great to get some natural light in here. Well, you know, it's dark outside, but like when we do get natural light in here, it'll be amazing. Yeah, it is.